In this video, we'll show you how to integrate your XTEN-AV account with Dynamics 365. Start by logging into your XTEN-AV account and selecting Settings from the profile icon menu at the top right. Navigate to the Integrations tab, where Dynamics 365 is listed. Fill in the details to connect your XTEN-AV account with your Dynamics 365 account, and click on the Connect with Dynamics 365 button. You'll see a connected status next to Dynamics 365, indicating a successful integration. Moreover, you can seamlessly transfer data such as accounts, contacts, and opportunities between your XTEN-AV and Dynamics accounts. Let's start by pulling the accounts data from Dynamics 365 by clicking the Pull Accounts button on your XTEN-AV account. Select the accounts you want to pull and hit Submit. Then, click the Sync Account button. You can view these accounts by selecting All Account under Accounts and Contacts. To push your XTEN-AV accounts to Dynamics 365, return to the integration page and click the Push Accounts button under the Accounts option. Select the account you want to push and click Submit. Then click the Sync Accounts button. Navigate to the Accounts section in Dynamics 365 to view the account you pushed from XTEN-AV. Repeat this process for contacts, using the pull and push buttons and syncing each time. Moving on to opportunities. Click Pull Opportunity to import your Dynamics 365 opportunities. Choose the deals you want to pull and hit the Submit button. Then, click on the Sync Opportunity button. You can view these opportunities by selecting All Projects under the Projects menu. Next, let's explore the process of pushing your XTEN-AV projects to the Dynamics 365 account. Select the project to begin with. Click Add Design under the Actions button. Fill in the basic details, choose a template, and click Create Design. Edit it as needed until you're satisfied with the design. Return to the Projects page and click the Push Changes to Dynamics 365 button under Project Settings. Select the design you want to push. You can customize the files and formats to push to your Dynamics 365 account. Then click Save and Continue. Now, let's check if the project has been pushed successfully. Navigate to your Dynamics 365 account and go to the Opportunities section. You should now see the project you pushed. Additionally, you can download all the documents associated with the project under the Timeline section. That's how you can integrate XTEN-AV with the Dynamics 365 account. Thank you for watching. For more, log on to xtenav.com.